Hi viewers, a very good morning. This is Rajiv Nagaonkar and I'm here to record this video not as a testimonial but certainly as a expression of gratitude that I want to extend to our coach, our mentor and our guide JR, Josna Ramchandran. They say that every dark cloud has a silver lining around it. So the dark cloud that is hovering around us, which we are experiencing in terms of a lockdown, a global lockdown because of the pandemic, I found my silver lining, and this silver lining is me taking admission in ASA, Author Success Academy, for becoming an author. Yes, as we all know that this course has been created by Josna Ramchandran for budding authors, and the blueprint that she has created is a massive, massive, massive help for all wannabe authors. The blueprint that she has created and provided to us through the course is something that will help us throughout our journey and much after that, once we are established as authors, because it goes in a very simple and lucid way. She has tutored us in a very simple and lucid way. She has given us deep insights into writing as a subject or authoring as a subject, and she has given us all the necessary tools. After going through this course, we are going to be equipped with a lot of tools, right, the right mindset, lot of insightful knowledge about what authoring is about, what are the do's and the don'ts. So I guess we are going to be better equipped to follow our dreams, and to make our aspirations come true of becoming an author. So the course content has surpassed all levels of expectations that I had from this course. It is very simply structured, very beautifully structured into stepwise video tutorials, and each tutorial takes us through a specific aspect about authoring. And by the time we are through with the blueprint course, mastermind blueprint course, we all are going to be equipped with amazing confidence, amazing know-how, and amazing tools, to work on and start our journey of writing a book. We all have started our journeys. So I think this ASA course is not only a boon, but it's also a blessing that I experience, and for which I'm going to be forever obliged and thankful to ASA and JR. Thank you so much, JR. Apart from the wonderful course that you've created, you've given us two dynamic platforms to be present on. One is the ASA Connect and the FB community, which are comprising of all of us aspiring authors, and the energy is so dynamic within these groups is that it gives us more support in terms of a whole lot of things while we are progressing on this course, and it feels nice to be a part of this community. Thank you so much, JR. Bye. Ciao.